What if tomorrow changed everything? No warning, no signal, no grocery stores, no power. Would you panic, or would you be ready? That's what prepping is really about. Not fear, but freedom. The freedom to survive, adapt, and protect the people you care about when life throws a curveball. Being prepared isn't just for doomsday bunker people or zombie apocalypse fans. It's for parents, campers, travelers, anyone who understands one simple truth. Life is unpredictable. Disasters don't send calendar invites. Emergencies don't RSVP. But when you're prepared, you don't freeze, you act. So, let's break it down. The foundation of survival starts with food and water. You can go weeks without food, but only days without water. That's why every smart prepper starts with water storage. Bottled water, gallon jugs, purification tablets, even a small portable filter. Water is life. Store it like it matters. Because it does. And food, don't just hoard random cans like a confused squirrel. Build meals with purpose. Rice, beans, oats, canned meats, shelf-stable veggies, peanut butter, fuel that lasts. Comfort food matters too. A little chocolate or instant coffee can turn a stressful moment into one you can handle. Survival is physical, but it's also mental. Next up, first aid. Because cuts, burns, and bad luck don't care about timing. A proper first aid kit isn't optional, it's essential. Bandages, gauze, antiseptic, pain relievers, tweezers, and any medications your family needs. Take it further. Learn CPR. Learn how to use your kit. Gear without knowledge is dead weight. Now let's talk tools. Your emergency sidekicks. A solid multi-tool. Can open cans, cut rope, fix gear. It's like a tiny toolbox in your hand. Add duct tape, paracord, a flashlight, extra batteries, maybe even a solar charger. Good tools don't just solve problems, they prevent panic. Communication is survival. What happens when phones die and cell towers drop? You stay connected with two-way radios. You plan backup meeting points with your family. You print out emergency contacts. And yeah, maps still matter. Google Maps won't save you if the grid goes down. Preparedness isn't about stockpiling, it's about planning. Having a family emergency plan means knowing where to go, who to call, and what to do. No confusion, no chaos. Just action. And here's the secret. Most people miss prepping isn't a one-time thing. You don't just build a kit and walk away. You maintain. Rotate canned goods. Check expiration dates. Replace batteries. Run drills. Being prepared is a lifestyle, not a hobby. It's something you practice. So why do we prep? Because bad days happen. Maybe it's not a world-ending disaster. Maybe it's a power outage. A storm. A car breakdown in the middle of nowhere. Real emergencies aren't dramatic, they're unexpected. And being ready turns chaos into confidence. Survival isn't luck. It's preparation. And preparation starts today, not someday. Start small. Keep going. Build strength, not fear. Because when the world goes quiet, the prepared person moves first. And when someone asks, "Are you scared of what might happen?" you can smile and say, "No, I'm prepared." That's the power of prepping. Use it, live it, own it,